Good morning, students. You are welcome to our online YouTube classes. Today we shall read how to use the correct form of the verbs in sentences. Correct form of the verbs is an important question in both 9th and 10th exam. In both 9th and 10th exam, the paper is divided into 4 parts: A, B, C and D. Section C is related to grammar, and the first question of section C is correct form of the verbs. Now we shall start how to use the correct form of the verbs. First, correct form of the verbs is used according to tense and identify the tense in the sentences, that which tense used in this sentence. For example, first sentence is, our topic is correct form of the verb. Then our first sentence is, he go to school usually. Now how we determine that which sentence is related to tense? In this sentence we identify the word by usually. If in the sentences the following words are available, then we use ES with singular subject and the same form of the verb with plural subject. The words are usually, seldom, often, regularly, etc. These words, if these words are in the sentence, then we use SES, word plus SES, singular subject, and same word plural subject. The verb is go and subject is singular, then we use go plus ES, goes. And if subject is plural, then we write the same form of the verb in the sentences. For example, For example, they work regularly. Then our answer will be they work regularly because the subject is plural. Thus, in present indefinite tense, usually, seldom, often, regularly, rarely, etc. words are written, then we use s, es in singular subject and same verb if subject is plural. Our second tense is present continuous tense. If in the sentences the following words are written, for example, these days, now, at this time, still, in these days, then we use verb plus ing. For example, they write a book now. By now, we identify the sentence that this is present continuous tense. Then we use is, am, are plus verb plus ing. If subject is singular, then we use is. The subject is plural, then we use are, and if subject is I, then we use am. Plus verb plus ing, then our answer will be they are writing a book now. They is plural subject, so we use are plus verb write plus ing writing. Then our answer will be they are writing a book now. Our second sentence is, our third sentence is, I ate lunch at that time. Our subject is I, so we use I plus am plus verb plus ing. Our verb is ate plus ing. Then our answer will be I am eating lunch at this time. So there are many words with those words we can identify that which tense is in that sentences. Now, main sentences which are related to board exam and ninth exam, I am writing on the board. With these sentences, we shall learn how to use the correct form of the verbs. Now, we shall learn important sentences which usually come in board exam. Then the following sentences are important in both 10th and 9th paper in C section. Our first sentence is, they work hard rarely. A few time ago, we shall learn if, rarely, usually, seldom, often, always, etc. words, then we use S-ES with singular subject and same word with plural subject. Then the word is rarely, then and our subject is plural, then we use the same word work, then our answer will be work. Our second sentence is, he always writes a story. In this sentence, how we identify that which tense is used in this sentence? Then we identify with the word always. If, always, usually, rarely, seldom, often, these words are used in the sentences, then we identify that this sentence is of present indefinite tense. Then and subject is singular, then we use S/ES with verb, then our answer will be right, because our subject is singular. Our third sentence is, we read a novel at this time. By the word at this time, we identify that this sentence is of present continuous tense, and in the present continuous tense we use is plus verb plus ing. Our subject is plural, then we use helping verb are plus verb read plus ing. Then our answer will be, we are reading a novel at this time. Next sentence is, the train leaves the station before we reach the station. We remove the train leaves the station before we reach. This sentence is an important sentence by two types in board exam. The train leaves the station before we reach. By the word before, we identify that this sentence is a past perfect tense.